All right, folks, before we begin, I got to tell you that I do have a lot of ground to cover in this unit here, folks. Please stay tuned. If I do stutter, I do apologize. If I make any mistakes, any bloopers, I do apologize in advance. Everything is happening live and nothing is being edited. What you see, what you hear is what you're going to get. All right, folks, let's begin. This is going to be a 2018 Dodge Charger 5.7 HEMI all-wheel drive, former state trooper highway patrol take-home unit. Vehicle has been fully serviced, reconditioned, and outfitted with emergency equipment ready to go to work, folks. Vehicle does have amber and white PA system and siren. All right, everything does work, and it also does have an arrow stick in the back windshield, as well as a takedown light on the front windshield. All right, folks, let's get going. Vehicle does have 132,000 miles, only 1,900 idle hours on this unit. Original silver from factory. Vehicle has been fully serviced, detailed, outfitted, and folks, let me tell you, she needs nothing whatsoever. The paint looks very sharp, very shiny, very tiny little scratches that are hardly noticeable. But folks, I gotta tell you, there are there. The camera here is kind of dark. Once again, I do apologize, folks. Vehicle does have fresh new window tint all around. That's gonna be a medium shade all around, so you can see right through, not too dark, not too light. Perfect color combination for this unit right here, folks. No dings on this unit whatsoever. However, I do have little scratches here and there, but again, they're hardly noticeable. Vehicle does have two antenna holes on the trunklet where these actual antennas are. Folks, these are gonna be the actual antennas. So if you need to take your car to an express car wash, I would probably just take this one out. This one should be fine. Folks, as you guys can see, the vehicle has been registered, so I do have the title registration card here on hand. Registration up to date. I also have amber lights right there next to the plates. You guys can see that. The video looks kind of dark. I don't know why, but anyway, guys, let me continue here. Folks, before I forget, I gotta tell you that this unit does have 4 brand new Goodyear RSA Eagles 245 55 18s. That's what I put on this unit right here. Once again, 245 55 18s. Vehicle does have a brand new set of rubber new shoes, folks. Vehicle also does have a new used set of LED spotlight bulbs and assemblies. They were reinstalled back in the vehicle. Vehicle also does have a brand new Setina push bar with lights on it. He's got a Phoenix speaker right there. Everything does work, folks. This vehicle is in immaculate running condition and shape. I'd make sure she was very well taken care of, folks. And yes, let me tell you, she took quite a bit of money to put her together. For those of you guys that follow me, once I'm in, trust me, I'm all in. I don't cut corners, and I am gonna give it to you straight up, and I'm gonna give it to you right. Before I forget, vehicle does have backup sensors and backup camera. I almost forgot. I'm glad I walked back to the back. All 4 steel wheels are nice and gloss black steel. They were reconditioned, just so you know. All 4 steel wheels were reconditioned. Let's go inside. Sorry, I almost lost track there. Let me get this out of the way. I don't want anything obstructing your view. All right, folks, the interior is in perfect condition. Matching rear seats, seat belts and buckles are in place. Perfect vinyl floor with OEM Dodge Charger plastic floor mats. Rear doors were fully reassembled, so yes, all locks, door lock, or the locks and rods were reassembled, reinstalled back in the vehicle. Just so you guys know, when I first got the car in, 99% of the time, they're not gonna have nothing in the rear doors, so you have to reinstall everything back in. The kit at Dodge is about $350, so yes, both doors were reassembled. So if you do have passengers, they'll be able to exit out of the vehicle on their own. All 4 door panels are in perfect condition on this vehicle. Front seats are in perfect condition on this vehicle. Vehicle also does have a new use OEM center console, folks, that was installed in the vehicle. As you guys can see, the vehicle does have equipment. Okay, folks, also before I forget, I gotta tell you that I do have a brand new OEM steering wheel on this vehicle here. 500 bucks. It's pretty expensive, but I wanted this car to look just right. I wanted this car to look perfect for the next owner. Okay, so the old steering wheel wasn't beat, but it did have some wear marks on the leather, which I don't like. So there you go, folks, you got a brand new one. You're welcome. Vehicle did come with 4 key fobs. 4 key fobs, that's what the vehicle came with. Okay, buyer will take all. Sorry guys, I'm doing a poor job today. Camera keeps going dark on me. All right, let's fire her up. The clock is ticking, so I'm gonna make sure I cover as much ground as I can here with you guys. All right, folks, all pressure lights are up. Let me clean this up here for you guys. Vehicle does have 1,923 idle hours with 132,000 miles, all highway miles. New use LED bulbs in semi-new condition, folks. Both of them are in semi-new conditions. Stereo does work. YouTube, I do not own the rest of the song. Everything is a touchscreen here. What you see is what you're gonna get, folks. Everything on the screen, it's touchscreen here. I'm sorry, I keep getting stuck. Super cold air conditioner. Honk, that's work. It's number 1. That's my trademark. Honk, that's work. Let me see what else. Super cold air conditioner. Auxiliary plugs are in here. Cigarette lighter does work. The vehicle also does have a factory built-in Bluetooth, so you can go ahead and connect your phone to the to your car. Red LED, white LED. I'm afraid I'm not gonna have enough time, but I'm gonna try to do my best here, folks. The trunk. Vehicle does have a new battery. Vehicle does have a new battery. Vehicle does have a full spare tire. All right, jack and hold down penny, they're right under there. Okay, all right, folks, there you go. What you see is what you're gonna get. If I forget something, I will be sure to note it down in my eBay description. Here's the engine, very quiet, no HEMI noises whatsoever. Once again, vehicle has been fully serviced and she doesn't need anything whatsoever. Folks, starting right to left, I do have a new air filter, 16 OEM irradiant spark plugs, full synthetic 520 oil service was done. Full synthetic ATF +4 transmission service was done on this one. Fluid and filter ATF +4 Mopar. That was a Mopar fluid and part on this one. Do not use aftermarket fluid on this vehicle, please. Vehicle does have an engine cover. Cabin filter is also new. Very quiet. There you go. No funny noises, folks. Also, before I forget, this vehicle does have brand new Mopar brakes and brake rotors all around. All right, I am sorry, I'm trying to hurry up. The clock is ticking and I'm getting nervous here. Once again, vehicle does have brand new brakes and rotors all around. Brand new brakes and rotors all around, folks, on this unit right here. 2018 Dodge Charger. Let's go ahead and it's got an on and off button right there, folks. Let me clean this up here for you. We're gonna go ahead and go code 1, go code 2. As you guys can see, vehicle is ready to go on patrol for security services or private use, private investigator, you name it, she's got it. It also got a arrow stick in the back, and you can control it to go left or right. It's got the buttons on the front, in the front inside the cabin. This little button right here will turn the lights on the push bar, red and blue, okay, on the push bar only. You turn it back off, it goes back to amber and white. Siren, air horn, PA system, everything does work. And this is gonna be the arrow stick here for the light bar in the back. You can go left, you can go left and right, or you can go right. Everything does work. Switch, turn everything off, okay? Once again, the vehicle was had been outfitted for security. Everything is legal. Amber white is legal. And folks, what you see is what you're gonna get. Once again, I do apologize on my bloopers here, my mistakes, but I gotta try to make sure I give you everything I got on this unit. 2018 Dodge Charger, all-wheel drive 5.7. Former Highway Patrol State Trooper take-home vehicle, folks. Fully outfitted to go to work. Clean, clear title. What you see is what you're gonna get, folks. Any questions, comments, please feel free to give me a call, text me. Let's see if we can work up some type of deal. This is the Car Victoria guy signing off, also known as SoCal Police Cruisers. You guys have a blessed weekend out there. God bless and take care. See ya.